and family, my fellow Gorilla Gang. We're back again to give you a little more of an update on ticker symbol AMC. This is not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. This is not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. Not a dead fucking cat, guys. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. This is not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. We got a George W. Foreman here. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. This is not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. Not a dead fucking cat, guys. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. This is not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. And we got a George W.
It's not gonna be bullish. It's not gonna be bearish. It's gonna go ape shit.
Hope you guys like that. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. This is not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. Not a dead cat. Hey, it's your boy, Fat Albert. Oh, baby. Hey, welcome to Trey's Trades. We have technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Let's get into the video. Today, my friends, we're going to give you guys an update on my particular game plan in regards to the AMC's situation. What we can do moving forward, or what I'm going to be doing moving forward to kind of attribute to the cause, right? And then you guys can make your own financial decisions based on that alone. I do, as you can see, have a position in AMC of 1,367 shares at a dollar cost average of 845.7, and I've been adding my position as much as I can. Options basics. What do we have here? Calls are bullish in nature, meaning you think they're going to go up. Puts are bearish in nature. That means you think it's going to go down. I really urge you guys to be very careful and cautious if you're not an experienced options trader to not play with this, right? My personal game plan is to purchase some of these $6 strikes and some potential $15 strikes or $20 strikes or $25 strikes that are way out the money, right? It's nowhere near that current strike price. And honestly, if I wanted to, I could go even farther up than that. I could go up to, $40, and I would pay $1 per share, which would be $100 per contract. And that's why I say in my previous video that we checked box 1 by closing over $8, right? We have begun the potential for a gamma squeeze. We're getting set up for the next huge possible run. Now, there's nothing guaranteed about this situation, guys, but there is a setup 100% there. So that is what I've got for, what I'm personally planning to do to help drive the price action here. So just give you a quick recap, I'm going to be purchasing some in the money and out the money options contracts. I'm going to continue to buy and hold, right? And I'm going to keep you guys updated with everything that I can in regards to the short interest. Lastly, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below for Webull. This is version 4 for the desktop. If you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in an index fund. Welcome to Trey's Trades. We get technical analysis in different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. I've got something drawn up right here, and this is important. So this is my hypothesis. We're going to talk about FTD, failure to deliver, and I've got F the hedgies. So, should not happen, by law. They should not have a way that they can legally find that loophole, but it does happen. Malpractice. What's the ideal, right? You got Tendy and Hedgie. Hedgie is a clearinghouse. Tendy is a simple buyer like you and me. He's a regular everyday Joe. Well, Hedgie says, okay, yeah, as of right now, I don't actually have the collateral for you. Or maybe he has a computer malfunction, right? Some sort of algorithmic issues, right? That also happens. This is an IOU. And he says, he doesn't tell Tendy that. Tendy doesn't know. These IOUs, right, they can't keep doing this forever because it creates that synthetic selling pressure, and that's why there's laws and rules that regulate the market saying that we can't do this, right? So nothing bad happens to us. In fact, only good things happen to us with these IOUs, right? So you're seeing this happen before your eyes, the manipulation, right? These ladder down attacks. You'll know it's a dead cat at that point. Lastly, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below for Webull. This is version 4 for the desktop. You guys already know what it is. I got the skirt. I got the George W. shirt. We got the Kraken. Oh, man. Oh, my freaking God, we have it. A beautiful update on ticker symbol AMC up here in the top left of your screen. We opened the day at about $12, closed the day at $14.02 with a high of $14.49. Now is when it gets tough. We need to hold. We need to hold. This is the beginning. This was maybe a mini gamma squeeze because we've got a crap ton of call options potentially expiring in the money on Friday, 19 March 2021, which is that quadruple witching day. My total position is 2,450 shares at a dollar cost average of 902. I am all in on AMC. All that I own is AMC. My market value for this is $34,251 freaking dollars. I'm all in. I think this is a worthwhile cause to go all in on. Lastly, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below for Webull. This is version 4 for the desktop. I also have a link to the merch store if you want to pick up a George W. t-shirt or some cool mugs. This stock is not a dead freaking cat. We are playing a freaking crazy market game. This is not ape selling. This is not the end of the world. And this is most importantly not a dead cat. Holy freaking crap. So you guys have probably been thinking to yourselves, what the heck? These numbers don't add up. And we are going to explain this to you in the simplest ape language that we can. Today, we're going to be talking about why AMC is dropping. This is the only video. If you were to watch one again for the rest of your life, this is the only one that you need to check out. I'm not supposed to be driving right now. Let's just do a little bit of reading. God, I can't read that. We have been in a stupid downward channel for who knows how freaking long right now, right? DPT, what is dark pool trading? This is backdoor buying and selling, which is insanity. Dark pools are private asset exchanges designed to provide additional liquidity and anonymity for trading large blocks of securities away from the public eye. If you were an institutional investor, would you want to give away your game plan? Heck no, you never would. You never would, because then they're gonna game plan for that because there's so many eyes watching the story right now, right? Check out this Reddit post. Citadel and others have over 2 billion shares of AMC in the dark pool. That's over 4 times the amount of actual shares, and that's not including the fake shares in public. Citadel Securities with 1.09 billion shares alone. Now, I'm not even going to consider this fact that the 88% is coming from that 450 million number. If it is, that tells you the whole story that we've got way more synthetic shares than even I'm thinking right now. Even though this is being manipulated, even though this looks like it's a dead cat, it's not a dead freaking cat. Go and tell people what's going on. So lastly, I have an affiliate link in the description box down below for Webull. This is version 4 for the desktop. I also have a link to the merch store if you want to pick up a Gorilla Gang mug or a George W. mug, and a link to my personal Discord, $5 a month. What's up, you beautiful people? It's your boy Trey from Trey's coming back again for another freaking YouTube video here in Vietnam. We're at a pivotal moment coming up here for what's going to be cooking up with AMC. So to me, this just indicates that this is a risky bet. There's more opportunity for the short squeeze to truly reach its full potential. And Ehor, if you're familiar with him, tweeted out that AMC has a 10 out of 10 squeeze potential based on different algorithms and data that is available. And he updated today saying that is still the case. I say this every single freaking day, guys, but the numbers do not add up. And it does not take much more than simple math education to understand that if the free float of the stock is about 417 million as it sits right now, yet you see that much volume circulate on a day-to-day basis, you're very likely seeing some malpractice, some corruption, the FTDs, the failure to delivers, right, the IOUs, all the naked shorting that has taken place. That stuff is compiling to where we are sitting right now. You need to see a break over $14.50 to get a critical stage, a pivotal moment, which is going to lead us to the beginning, in my opinion, of the squeeze. If you look at this on the daily candles, this becomes much more apparent with this disgusting, stupid, wide, fat, ridiculous, big George W setup and a cup and handle setup. Game day, freaking final quarter. We're going into overtime. It is time to watch this thing go to freaking stupid chicken church. If you watch my live stream today, you know that I ended up doubling down on my position. I have all of the liquidity that I had available that I put into my brokerage firm here with Webull into the stock. I picked up, it comes out to now about 5,216 total shares with about $10,000 of call options. That comes out to about 77, just a hair less than 10,000, $77,677 total that I have all in on AMC. But the name of the game today was consolidation, right? Rips consolidate, rip consolidate, setting higher lows continuously. That is as bullish as a stock can possibly get. We get this freaking break over $14.50 and it holds it. You better be ready for the most stupid, ridiculous lemon pepper tendy that you've ever tasted it in your entire life. And that's what I've got for the video today.